Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. What's the key difference between SASB and the GRI? Well, SASB focuses on stakeholders. GRI focuses on investors. Actually, the GRI focuses on the stakeholders, focuses on everyone. So the answer is incorrect, because remember, when I say global reporting, global is, think of it for everyone. SASB focuses on financial impact, GRI focuses on the broader impact. This is better than A, because it's the opposite of A, B. Yes, the GRI focuses on the broader impact on everyone, the broader stakeholders, investors, creditors, the public at large, government regulators. SASB is global, GRI is local. Think of G global, so it cannot be local. SASB replaces GRI. They're two separate frameworks. Now, what you can do is, if you're studying for the CMA exam, you want to go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional MCQs. If you're using Farhat Lectures, you could ask AI to explain the topic a little bit more in depth, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and create a similar MCQ, testing your knowledge about those frameworks, GRI versus SASB. Don't shortchange yourself, invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.